Today, we are going to discuss another equally important aspect of product marketing. That is customer feedback. As a product marketer, your job does not just end once a product is launched. You will need to continuously listen to your customers, iterate on the product based on their input, and refine marketing strategies. Now, why does customer feedback even matter? Feedback is the most valuable resource you have after a product goes live, and it can help you, one, identify strengths and weaknesses. Here, you'll find out what customers love about your product and what needs improvements. 2, validate assumptions. Here, it ensures that at the end of the day, the assumptions you made during development are actually correct. 3, drive iteration. You can use feedback to make informed updates to your product and the customer experience. 4, it can also enhance customer satisfaction. With it, you can show your customers that you are actually listening, which builds trust and loyalty. Now, types of customer feedback. 1, surveys. That is direct questions asking customers about their experiences. 2, reviews and testimonials. That is customer opinions shared online on social media or through platforms like Trust or Pilot. 3, through support tickets. That is issues customers report through your customer or service channels. 4, focus groups. That is a small group of customers providing in-depth feedback. Now, how do you collect and use customer feedback? You see, surveys are one of the easiest and most effective ways to gather feedback. Here, you want to ensure that you ask open-ended questions that allow customers to explain their thoughts in details. You also want to ensure that you analyze patterns in the feedback you get to identify recurring issues or positive aspects of your product that should be emphasized. Finally, you want to make sure to iterate the product based on the most critical feedback and track improvement over time. Classwork. I want you to imagine that your product has just launched. I want you to create 3 sample survey questions you would ask customers to gather feedback on their experience with your product. I want you to focus on getting insights about their satisfaction and suggestions for improvements. Please submit your survey questions on Google Classroom. And this brings us to the end of today's lesson. Talk to you tomorrow.